Yamaha's EX bow fixed mounted storage gives you an extra 20.5 liters of storage. It's large enough to store your EX mooring cover and can easily be installed by reusing the existing factory fasteners. Begin by opening the front hatch. Use a small screwdriver to gently push in the pins on the 6 white fasteners. Don't push in too far because the pins can come out. Lift the rivets up gently on the factory installed storage and collect the pins. These will be reused later. Remove the factory bow storage container. Set the EX front bow storage in place. The pins will only line up one way with the wider part of the rim toward the bow. Reset the pins that you removed earlier by pushing them back out from the bottom. Now align each pin with the hole and snap the pins in place. You should hear an audible click and the surface of the pins should be flat. Finally, close the hatch. Thanks for watching.